Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to get Discord Nitro tokens, cheapest/free Nitro, and server boosts. Discord Nitro tokens are not an official feature, but you can still get cheap or free Nitro and server boosts through legitimate methods. Platforms like YouTube Premium, Streamlabs, and Xbox Game Pass occasionally offer free Nitro trials that include server boosts. Some Discord servers and influencers host giveaways where you can win free Nitro or boosts. Additionally, programs like Microsoft Rewards sometimes let you redeem Nitro through points. If you have active Discord friends, they may be willing to give you Nitro or extra boosts. If you have to subscribe to the Nitro option, then it'll open the Discord website and make sure to log in. It offers a plan that starts at $2.99 per month. Nitro Basic costs $2.99 and Nitro costs $9.99. Next, click on Gift Nitro shown at the top. You can select the Nitro plan by paying a one-time charge of $9.99. Then click on the Select button and select the payment method. Enter the card number, expiration date, CVC, and name of the card. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.